Important English phrases with their meanings and example sentences. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick. Example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. Hit the nail on the head, meaning to be exactly right. Example, you really hit the nail on the head with your analysis. Let the cat out of the bag, meaning to reveal a secret. Example, he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Bite the bullet, meaning to do something unpleasant that is unavoidable. Example, I had to bite the bullet and go to the dentist. Spill the beans, meaning to disclose secret information. Example, she accidentally spilled the beans about their engagement. A blessing in disguise, meaning something good that seemed bad at first. Example, losing that job was a blessing in disguise. Burn the midnight oil, meaning to work late into the night. Example, she burned the midnight oil to finish her project. Go the extra mile, meaning to put in extra effort. Example, he's always willing to go the extra mile for his clients. On the ball, meaning alert and quick to act. Example, she's really on the ball with her work. Costs an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. Example, that new phone costs an arm and a leg. Call it a day, meaning stop working for the day. Example, we've done enough. Let's call it a day. Piece of cake, meaning very easy. Example, that test was a piece of cake. Break the bank, meaning to cost too much. Example, we want a vacation that won't break the bank. Hit the books, meaning to study hard. Example, I need to hit the books this weekend. Kick the bucket, meaning to die, informal, humorous. Example, the old man finally kicked the bucket. The ball is in your court, meaning it's your decision or responsibility. Example, I've done my part. Now the ball is in your court. Jump the gun, meaning act too soon. Example, he jumped the gun and announced the project before approval. Up in the air, meaning uncertain. Example, our vacation plans are still up in the air. The early bird catches the worm, meaning acting early leads to success. Example, she got the job because she applied first. The early bird catches the worm. Every cloud has a silver lining, meaning there's something good in every bad situation. Example, even though I failed, I learned a lot. Every cloud has a silver lining. In hot water, meaning in trouble. Example, he was in hot water after missing the meeting. Let sleeping dogs lie, meaning don't bring up old conflicts. Example: I didn't mention the argument. We should let sleeping dogs lie. A dime a dozen, meaning very common or cheap. Example: selfie apps are a dime a dozen these days. Barking up the wrong tree, meaning accusing the wrong person or pursuing the wrong thing. Example: if you think I broke your phone, you're barking up the wrong tree. Back to the drawing board, meaning start over with a new plan. Example: our idea failed, so it's back to the drawing board. Hit the sack, meaning go to bed. Example: I'm exhausted. Time to hit the sack. Keep your chin up, meaning stay positive in tough times. Example: I know things are hard, but keep your chin up. Out of the blue, meaning unexpectedly. Example: she called me out of the blue after 5 years. Steal someone's thunder, meaning take credit for someone else's idea. Example: he stole my thunder by announcing the project first. Throw in the towel, meaning give up. Example: after several failed attempts, he threw in the towel. Actions speak louder than words, meaning what you do matters more than what you say. Example: she never promised help but showed up. Actions speak louder than words. Cry over spilled milk, meaning worry about something that's already happened. Example: don't cry over spilled milk, just move on. By the skin of your teeth, meaning barely make it. Example: I passed the test by the skin of my teeth. Keep an eye on, meaning watch carefully. Example: can you keep an eye on my bag while I use the restroom? Thanks for watching. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. If you have any ideas to improve our English lessons, we'd love to hear them. For now, have a great time, and see you in the next lesson.